Today I'm going to add hops to Bud Light because I'm not particularly fond of Bud Light, but I do like hops. So I've added a couple of pellets of 14.5% alpha acid Columbus hops to this T-ball. By the way, the T-ball is in the link below. And then I put the T-ball in the beer. I've let it sit for just a couple of minutes here, and now I'm going to try it. Bud Light, just like I remember it. So I'm gonna take the T-ball out here. Definitely smells a bit different, but you catch a bit of the hop aroma. Yes, slight difference there. Just a bit of hops. What I would say at this point is that it is just like Bud Light, slightly hoppier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this T-ball back in here and leave it sit just a little bit longer. While I'm waiting, I will say this. We make and sell brewing equipment, which you can find on our website, so you don't have to add hops to Bud Light. You can make your own light hoppy beers. Okay, I've waited another couple minutes. I'm gonna try this one more time. Okay, definitely have some hop aroma now, which is nice and fresh. Still a very lightly hopped beer, but I will say this, I like this better. I like this better than this. Just that tiny little bit of hops I added. Yeah, I like that. It just smooths it. Honestly, you'd think it would add some bitterness and some edge, but it doesn't really. It kind of smooths it out, which is strange. I like it though. I have to say that I like Bud Light with more hops in it than I do in its original form. Try it out, let us know what you think, and again, check out our website, clawhammersupply.com, and please subscribe.